Hi everyone, welcome to Ocomos. Hope you all are doing good. My name is Suraj. In today's video, I will be taking you through Ocomos, which is an enterprise level e-commerce platform designed for large scale companies. Let's get into it. With the recent pandemic, more and more companies are planning to expand their customer reach through online presence. Ocomos is an ideal solution for such companies. It allows effortless management of multiple products of varying categories from different stores. Ocomos offers a powerful admin panel that allows complete control and management of your e-commerce store. With seamless API integration, you get limitless possibilities with Ocomos. It can change the way enterprise e-commerce operates. It is quite different from the traditional and legacy e-commerce platform in many ways. It has around 16 modules which serve different purposes. You can manage your customers' sales, suppliers, deliveries, POS, catalogs, stores and much more all in one place. It will help you ease the sales process and help you in achieving your business target with its robust set of modules. Moreover, we can customize Ocomos to align with your requirements. Now, why Ocomos? Ocomos is one of its kind of solution for the e-commerce industry. You can create a fully functional online business with all the tools and features required to optimize and take it to the next level. As mentioned before, Ocomos is specialized for large-scale companies. Even if your e-commerce platform has over 10,000 SKUs or 500,000 visitors per month and 1,000 orders per day, the performance of the system won't be affected. Best part about Ocomos is it's fully customizable and connectable. You can easily connect with the front end via a fast selection of the APIs. You can integrate or build your mobile or website front end easily with Ocomos. With Ocomos, you can easily create multiple stores for different locations and categories in either web or mobile, making the process of targeting particular customer easy and efficient. Ocomos is API driven, which means you can integrate any API you need. Whether it be a payment gateway or third-party software such as accounting software, ERP or even warehouse management, it provides a powerful admin panel that allows separate management of suppliers, delivery agents and delivery companies. The admin panel provides all the features required to manage your e-commerce store. Regarding the front end, with Ocomos, you can get a great looking website with multiple design iterations that you can choose from. With our elegant template designs, your e-commerce site will attract customers and provide a great shopping experience for them. Ocomos supports multiple stores, multiple language, multiple currency, multiple shipping and many more. With us, your store will be fast, performance optimized, that will have no issue handling heavy traffic and concurrent users. Security is another aspect which we have looked at very carefully. With Ocomos, we have ensured that your data will be 100% secure with its multi-layer security. Ocomos encrypt all important data table of your e-commerce site in 256-bit encryption technologies. Customer information, payment information, purchase history and other valuable informations are encrypted, so it improves your data security. So in short, the possibilities with e-commerce are limitless. Seamless integration of APIs and comprehensive and powerful admin panel and a fully customizable front end with a website and a separate mobile app for customers, supplies, delivery agent and store. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss in detail about the admin panel and each module in OCommerce. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next.